Chapter 2: Microsoft Word Mail Merge. Communication is the main process of transferring information from one entity to another. We have many ways to express our thoughts to one another. People nowadays use mails to communicate, but in past they used postcards, telegram, letters, etc. to send messages. One way of doing this is to print the letters by changing the address each time in the document, but this would mean wastage of effort and time. Such problems are taken care by Mail Merge facility of MS Word. Mail Merge is the process of transferring selected information from one document to another document. It helps us to create personalized letters and pre-addressed envelopes or mailing labels for mass mailings which contains fixed text which will be the same in each output document. Mail Merge. Mail Merge is a feature provided by Microsoft in word processing software MS Word as a way of placing content from a spreadsheet, database, or table into a Microsoft Word document. Mail Merge is ideal for creating personalized letters or labels instead of editing the original letter several times. It completes the repetitive task at one go with minor changes. It is divided into 6 steps. Creating the main document, selecting the starting document, selecting recipients, write your letter, preview your letters, complete the merge. Before starting Mail Merge process, one should be familiar with the two terms, main document and data source. Main document. Main document is the common letter which contains the common information for each of the merged document. It also contains the field names which contain the instructions for carrying out the merging. Data source document. Data source is also called the data file. It stores information to be brought into the main document. The data file table contains a column for each category of information or data field in the data file. The header row is the first row of the table. It contains field names which indicate the type of information in each column. For example, list of names and addresses. The process of merging the main document and the data source is known as Mail Merge. Benefits of Mail Merge. Listed below are few benefits of using Mail Merge feature of MS Word. Easy to make a change in letter by just changing an effect can be shown to all the letters. Wants to happen in every letter, example, change the date. Once the merge has been set up, thousands of letters can be produced very quickly. Much easier to proofread just one letter than thousands of individual letters. Letters can be sent to people who meet specific criteria. A standard letter can be saved and reused. Letters can be personalized. The same data source and be reused, reducing the risk of errors. Let us notice few important terms in the chapter which were used while using feature Mail Merge of MS Word. Term. Definition. Main document. Starting document. A document that contains the information that is the same for each merged document. The starting document contains the field names for the variable information like the names and addresses that will be inserted. Data source. A file that contains the information to be inserted into the main document during a mail merge. For example, it has records containing the names and address of the people a mail merge letter is addressed to. Data field. A field that stores a specific piece of information. For example, the field last name would contain last names. Record. A record is an entire set of data fields that relate to a single thing or person. For example, a single record might include information in various fields about a person's first and last names, address, phone number, and date of birth. Term. Definition. Merge field. A merge field works like a placeholder for the information you wish to insert from a data source into a main document. Merge fields appear with chevrons around them. Example, Dear, first name. Address block, a group of merge fields that make up the address block in a mail merge document. Greeting line, a group of merge fields that make up the greeting line of a mail merge document, such as Dear Mr. Rajendra. Header row, data source information is stored in a table. The first row of the table is the header row and contains the field names for the data source. For example, first name, last name, address, city, state, zip. Creating the main document. To start the mail merge process, open MS Word. Click on Start button. Click on All Programs. Click on Microsoft Office 2003. A blank document opens by default. Leave it open. If you close it, the next step won't work. On the Tools menu, point to Letters and Mailings and then click Mail Merge. The Mail Merge task pane will open on the right side of Word document. Under Select Document Type, choose one of the following types of documents as shown in the figure. Example, letters. Click on Next. Starting document at the bottom of the task pane. Selecting the starting document. Underneath option, select Starting Document. Select one of the three options. Use the Current Document option will allow you to start from the current document. Start from a template option will allow you to start from a ready-to-use form that can be modified. Start from existing document option will allow you to work on existing mail merge document. For example, use the current document and click on Next. Select recipients present at the bottom of the task pane. Select recipients. To select recipients, in this pane of the mail merge process, you need to connect to the data file where the unique information that you want to merge into your documents is stored. The data file can be any file, Excel file, Access file, Word table, Outlook, contact list, etc. Let's have a look at these options. It can be any data file, either existing, Outlook or new list. Use an existing list. If you have a Microsoft Office Excel worksheet or a Microsoft Office Access database that contains your customer information, click Use an existing list and then click Browse to locate the file. Select from Outlook. If you keep complete up-to-date information in your Microsoft Office Outlook, contacts list that is an excellent data files to use for customer letters or email messages. Just click Select from Outlook Contacts in this task pane and then choose your contacts folder. Type a new list. If you don't have a data file yet, click Type a new list and then use the form that opens to create your list. The list is saved as a mailing database .mdb file that you can reuse. To create your own new contact list, follow these steps. Under Select Recipient, click Type a new list. A dialog box will open. Click Create. Under Type a new list option. In the new address list window, type the data you want to include under Enter Address Information, for example, titles, name, address information. To edit the field's name, click on Customize button in the window that appears. Click Add, delete, rename any field as you want. To make another entry, click New Entry. Repeat steps 3 and 4 until you have added all the entries you want and then click Close. Save your address list in your specific location. The contacts in the new list will appear in the Mail Merge Recipients window as shown in the figure. Click OK. Just because you connect to a certain data file doesn't mean that you have to merge information from all the records, rows in that data file into your main document. Click on Next, Write your letter option to start writing letter in the main document. Write a letter. Having selected your data source, you are now ready to create our main document. To write your letter, follow the steps. Move to MS Word window and start writing your letter. Begin your letter with the address block. Click the address block selection and then click on the Merge Fields option present on the Insert Address block. Choose the one of the desired format and then click OK. Now insert a greeting. Tap the Enter key 2 more times just to create some space and type India and then tap the space bar. Click the More Items button in the task pane on the right and insert the field first name. Type a comma after the first name field and tap the Enter key twice. Let's move to the new step of previewing our letter. Previewing your letter. Click the next Preview Your Letters option present at the bottom of the Mail Merge task pane. Your document should look similar to the one given above. You can browse your addresses and greeting by clicking the arrows on the right and left of recipient. Click the option Next. Complete the merge and a new pane will be opened with the new options. Complete the merge. A new task pane will appear showing Complete the merge with various options to choose from. You can choose either to print the letter or view the merge as edit individual letters. Saving a document. To save mail merge data, click File in the menu bar and select Save As option. The Save As menu screen will appear. Printing a document. Let's move on to printing our letters. Click the Print selection in the task pane as shown in the image on the right. Click on OK button. Click on OK button.